Can't find a Product Images widget in Elementor? You'll display product images on your homepage in 7 clicks and unlock Pro features. We'll walk through 7 precise clicks. Open the homepage, find the Woocommerce tab, select Product Images, and handle the upgrade prompt.
All right, let's start by opening your homepage and getting into the Elementor editor. Once it's open, click right on the highlighted element to select it. Now, over on the left, click on the Woocommerce menu item. Then choose Product Images from the submenu that appears. You'll see an option for Use Product Images widget. Go ahead and click it. It also mentions dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster. After that, hit the Upgrade Now button. Finally, click on the highlighted area to complete the setup. And that's it. You're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.